Savings, 4th Standard, Unit 2, Term 2, English.
I always save my pocket money. Do you?
A lesson to save. On the way to the playground, in the fields, Amir saw dirt thrown out of a pit on the ground. He went near it and saw a small rat-like creature. He called out,
Hey, who are you? What are you doing in there?
The creature came out and took a glance at the boy and said, I am a mole. I am digging a burrow to catch the earthworms and save them for the winter.
Interesting. How do you catch and save them?
The mole replied, I dig worm traps along the tunnels. When the earthworms cross it, they fall into it. I will bite and paralyze them and store in the tunnel to eat later. The boy asked.
How many earthworms will you store?
The mole replied, As many earthworms as I can get. I don't eat all of them. I save them for using later. Now, I don't have any time to waste. I must build a lot of worm traps. See you later. The mole went inside the burrow. Just then, near the mole's burrow, Amir saw a leaf moving. He went near it and saw a small ant. The ant was carrying a big leaf. The ant yelled, Get out of my way. It will take too long to go around your feet. He asked the ant,
Hey, why are you carrying this big leaf? Isn't it easy to eat and then go home?
The ant dropped the leaf and replied, I am a leaf cutter ant. I am collecting leaves for my colony. I can carry leaves that weighs nearly 20 times my weight. Amir was surprised. He asked.
Do you eat leaves?
The ant replied, No, we don't eat leaves. We drink the leaf sap. We also use the leaves to grow fungus. We need the fungus to feed our babies. We also store the leaves for the winter. The ant asked, By the way, do you, the humans, save the food that you need? Amir replied,
Yes, we also save food in granaries, but we need money to buy it. So we usually give importance to save money. What else do we have to save?
Don't you have anything other than money to save? Asked the ant. After taking some time to think, Amir answered,
Why? My mom asked me to save water, food, electricity, forest fuel, and fuel. We have a lot of things to save to make sure that the future generations can use these.
This interaction with the mole and the ant changed the way Amir thought about the things around him. Earlier, he let the fan run as he left the room. He let the water drip as he never closed the tap tightly. Now, he always care and save the resources around him. Let's do some book back activities. Say whether the statements are true or false. In early days, Amir left the tap opened. True. Amir switched off the fan when he walked out. False. Moles trap worms and store them. True. Leaf cutter ants grow fungus. True. Amir realized his mistakes. True. Answer the question. Why should we close the tap after using it? To save water. Where do the moles save their food? Stored in the tunnel. Why do the leaf cutter ants grow the fungus to feed the babies? List the things that humans should save. Resources like food, water, electricity, fuel, forest. What are the things that we can save? Why should we save them? Water, electricity, fuel, forest for future generation use. Choose the correct option. Moles dig worm trap to catch earthworms. Leaf cutter ants can carry leaves that weigh 20 times of their body weight. Moles bite and paralyze the earthworms. Leaf cutter ants drink leaf sap. Humans give importance to save money. Okay, here we are going to talk about prefix. Now, hi friends, I'm here to show my magic tricks. I take re and the word arrange to make a new word, rearrange. So, the given word is arrange, and at the beginning of this word arrange, we are going to use re and make a new word, rearrange. Similarly, we can use un, re, this and pre. So, un, when we add the prefix un, it gives the opposite meaning. When we use re, we add the prefix re, it gives the meaning of again. When we add the prefix this, it gives opposite meaning. When we add pre as a prefix, it gives the meaning of before. So like this, we can join many words together to form new words. So what is a prefix? A prefix is a letter combination that is fixed at the beginning of the word. So when we say prefix, so pre means beginning, fix means fix the new letter. And the prefixes, they give a new meaning to the word. Now we have some examples here. For un, okay, the words given wanted and fortunate. So we add un to wanted, it becomes unwanted. And fortunate, you add un, it becomes unfortunate. So it gives the opposite meaning. Now when we add re, rewrite, repaint. So that means we have to do it again. So the meaning of again comes in there. Dis, again dislike and dispose, again it gives the opposite meaning. And prepaid and preschool, it's like already happened. Prepaid is already paid, preschool is before school. So next comes match the following and write the new word. Now preview, preview, discontinue, discontinue, unfamiliar and reopen. Now some children may find this a little bit difficult to understand and follow through. So if your child finds it difficult, so you can leave prefixes as of now. We can always come back to this later stages. Thank you. Circle the correct prefix and write the new word. The word given is happy. The prefix is un. So unhappy. Word given is honest. The prefix is dis. So dishonest. Word given is read. The prefix is pre. So pre-read. Word given is mix. The prefix is re. So it is remix. Add a prefix to each word so it matches the new definition. Prefix is un, re, dis, pre. Word lucky, check, view, approve. Make sure the things are correct, recheck. A person who got no luck, unlucky. Do not approve, disapprove. A chance to view before, preview.
What do humans save? Ants buy food in the ant hill. They eat it during the winter's chill. Moles dig long and winding tunnels and save worms in the channels. Crocodiles are found in many countries. They store food in their pantries. Squirrels reserve food in a larder. They store a 7-course meal with starter. Leopards keep their prey on a tree and eat them when they are free. Farmers store the harvest in a granary, soon to be packed in a cannery. What do you save? Everything that nature gave.
Match with their storing places. So grains are stored in the granary. Ant store food in the ant hill. Leopard store food on the tree. Next comes rhyming words. Ant hill, chill, tunnels, channels, save, gave, tree, free. We have answered the following questions. Where do ants pile their food? Colony. Where do crocodiles save? Pantries. What do you save? Everything that nature gave. Now here again we are going to talk about grammar part. Simple past tense. Now simple past tense is used to describe an action that has already happened. Now we already know the verb forms. For present, write, writes, past is wrote, past participate is written, present participate is writing. The past form is used in simple past tense. Okay, so I wrote the test, you went home, we played football, he ran to the classroom, she played chess, it flew away, they visited him. So all these actions have already happened. So I boiled the water, we boiled the water, you boiled the water, he boiled the water, she boiled the water, it boiled the water, they boiled the water. So the same simple past tense is used there. Now we saw the simple past tense for action verbs. Now let's see the simple past tense for be form verbs. Now for present, am, is, are, past, was, were, past participate, been, present participate, being. Now I was an engineer, he was a pilot, she was a soldier, it was a computer, we were young, you were a patient, they were student. We usually use past tense to talk about. Now, here is an action. What happened? A monkey came down from the tree. It grabbed the banana from the boy. He shouted in fear. The monkey ate the banana. So, when we usually talk, we use past tense sometimes. Now, write was or were to complete the sentences. I was the leader of my class. We were in New York last week. You were a baby. Kavi was kind to me. The bus was brand new. They were friends. Raghu was my junior in the class. So usually was is used for I and if it is singular. But when it comes to where, we use it usually when we use we, when we use you and they. Okay, write the past form of the verbs. Now read is read, but the spelling remains the same. Sing, sang, sleep, slept. Here complete the sentence with the simple past form of the given verbs. It snowed last winter. The rain continued all day. I lost my balance. We stood for hours. Tom came home from school. So all these are simple past form. Now we are going to talk about simple future tense. What is simple future tense? It refers to an action or event that has not yet happened. It will happen in the future. So present is come, past will be came. Past participate is come, present participate is coming. The present form is used in simple future tense with using shall or will. Now let's use it in some sentences. I shall or will meet him tomorrow. We shall or will meet him tomorrow. You will meet him tomorrow. They will meet him tomorrow. He will meet him tomorrow. She will meet him tomorrow. It will reach him tomorrow. So only with I and we can use either shall or will. But when it comes to you, they, he, she, it, we just use will. Now here in the above example, we can see the verb is in the present form. The word shall and will are used whenever we are using I and we. Only will is used for you, they, he, she, it. Now we use the simple future tense for actions that yet to happen. The bus will reach Arcot by evening. Now here we have to circle the sentences that are in simple future tense. So Kamal will meet you at the shop. Here if you can see we have will. So whenever there is will, we know it is in the future tense. Now it will rain tomorrow. Again using of will makes us say this sentence is in the simple future tense. Okay, here we have one story, Save Wisely. Every year, Kamali and her cousins would visit their grandparents in their native village for the car festival that lasted for 3 days. The entire village will be in a festive mood. The children were the most excited. The family members and relatives would give the children money to buy sweets and toys. The children would buy toys, chocolates, sweets or packed food items. They would spend all the money and never save the money at all. Their grandfather felt that the children should learn to save and use their money wisely. So, this year he announced that the children should save the money they get over the course of a year and spend it purposefully. The children were not at all excited by the announcement. Rajan and Mala were the youngest of the kids. They did not take the words of the grandfather seriously. They spent their money on sweets and toys. The other siblings, Jayan and Kaveri, decided to enjoy the festival to the fullest. They bought every type of food available across the shops. On the second day, Jayan got sick due to food poisoning. So, he decided to spend the money only on toys. The eldest of the kids were Kamali and Senthil. They were determined to save the money and use it purposefully. So, they controlled their desires and saved every rupee they got. By the end of the festival, they managed to save around 300 rupees. Grandfather was so happy to see their effort. Senthil, when he went home, took his father to the nearest post office and opened a savings account. He saved all his pocket money and found new ways to save money, like he started to walking instead of taking the bus. He kept his stationery safely so that he did not have to keep buying them. He reused his old books to save money. Soon, his father made him understand the savings is done after using the money for basic needs. So, Senthil bought new books to take notes in his class. Senthil's dream was to buy a camera. At the end of the year, his father checked his savings and bought him the latest camera with his savings. Kamali had a clear plan. She had a friend named Anandi. Anandi's father was a flutist. They lived in the same street, so the girls used to visit each other often. On many of these occasions, Anandi used to teach her to play the flute. Kamali always wanted to buy a flute. At the end of one year, she managed to save some amount. At that time, her father needed money urgently and asked if he could use her savings. He promised to return the money soon. Kamali gave her savings to her father. Although she was proud of helping her father, she still wanted to buy the flute. She was disappointed. Soon it was time to visit the village. Everyone was happy to meet each other after one year. On the day of the car festival, the whole family gathered in the village. Everyone in the family shared about the year gone one by one. After dinner, Senthil brought his new camera and told Grandpa how he had saved and bought the camera. Grandpa was very proud and happy. He congratulated him. Meanwhile, Kamali's father gave Grandpa a gift and said something in his ears. Grandpa smiled and called Kamali. He gave her the gift. Her savings were used to buy the gift. Kamali eagerly opened the box and found a brand new flute. Her eyes were moist with tears. The whole family asked her to play the flute. Kamali played a song that a friend had taught her. Senthil started clicking pictures of the event with his camera. Fill in the blanks. Every year, the children visit the grandparents in their native village. At the end of the festival, Kamali and Senthil saved 300 rupees. Saving is done after fulfilling the money for basic needs. Senthil bought a camera from his savings. Kamali gave her savings to her father. Answer the following questions. What did the children buy with the money they have? Toys, chocolates, sweets or packed food items. What did the grandfather announce? He announced that the children should save the money they get over the course of a year and spend it purposefully. What happened to Jayan? He got sick due to food poisoning. What did Kamali get as a gift? New flute. Fill in the blanks. Moles dig worm traps to catch earthworms. Leaf cutter ants drink leaf sap. Kamali gave a saving to her father. Join the words with the correct prefix. We have prepaid, resend, unable, discontinue. Write a rhyming word. Save, gave, bridge, fridge, soon, moon. Write the words given in the bracket in correct tenses. I saw him accidentally. We moved back to the city yesterday. Rani will meet Rita tomorrow. Write the past form of the verbs run, ran, eat, ate, swim, swam.